Hi, it's Nicole with your West Windsor weekly market recap for the week ending July 13th, 2025. Let's get right into what the numbers are telling us. Right now, we're having 57 active listings. That's the highest inventory level we've seen this summer, marking a clear shift into inventory building phase and creating more options for the buyers. And out of the inventory, townhomes account for nearly half of them, including both resales and new constructions. Single-family homes still has the largest share of the listings by category, but there's a catch. The majority of them are priced above 1 million. And in today's market, this price point comes with longer days on the market due to affordability challenges. Here's a snapshot of how the inventory is behaving. Out of the 57 active listings, 12 of them have already had at least one price reduction, and 13 of them increased their prices. Yes, you hear me right. Upward pricing is still happening, and more than half of the active listings have been on the market for 30 days or longer. So this clearly shows that there's a growing gap between sellers' expectations and the buyer's willingness to act quickly, especially for the higher-end price ranges. Now let's take a look at the buyer activity. This time last year, the most showings we saw fall between 300K to 660K. Think of entry-level condos and mid-range townhouses. But this year is a different story. Last week, we saw most showings fall between 950K to 1.4 million. This is a strong signal showing that well-positioned, appropriately priced homes in this particular price tier is still moving fairly quickly. And so what does this mean for you? If you are a buyer, the rise in inventory means more choices for you. However, you need to be strategic because in today's market, the best homes are still moving very quickly with competitions sometimes, especially for the price range between 950 to 1.4 million. And if you're a seller, pricing and presentation are more important than ever. And today's market, it is no longer forgiving to overpricing. So if you're thinking about making a move or simply curious about how your property fits into this shifting market, I'd be happy to prepare a customer pricing analysis and a showing report for your neighborhood and the price point. Feel free to reach out. I'm here to help. By the way, our office will be hosting a market seminar on July 24th, where we're going to review the real estate trends from the first half of 2025 and share the insights and forecast for the rest of the year. If you're interested, please feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to share the information with you. Until next week, take care.